Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power sunroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, chrome mirror caps. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.